Hi, KOG here. I'll be reacting to Stray Kids' Thunderous music video. I think this was like a year ago. I I have listened to the first and probably the only song that I know of Stray Kids is the God's Menu or Shin Menu. I really like that song, but afterwards I never kept up. Now this looked interesting. Somebody told me that there are like 200 songs after God's Menu, and you gotta start somewhere, right? So I just looked through, and this looked interesting. Now, Sorikun, you guys probably do know, but Sori means sound, and kun is like someone who is good at something. Like anything with kun means that they're really good at it, and that's what they do. Yeah, like bad way. For example, 도박꾼 is like a gambler. 도박 is gambling, and 도박꾼 is a person, is a gambler. Anyway, let's see what's up. Colorful. Whoa, wait. I think subtitles is not in English. Sorry, guys. I don't think I missed too much. So here we go. Yeah. 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후가 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 집들 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리 악당무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져 소문날 군들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold dirty. 이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick, tick, tick This song is interesting in that the in the beginning they were making use of the Korean like there's a Korean like singing or performing thing that Sorikun do the like they use a lot of rhymes and idioms and make fun of the world and what's around them and stuff like that in like a half singing type of a thing. I guess you can say it's like a Korean old rapping. Anyway, so far it's very reminiscent of the style wise. It's very reminiscent of the God's Menu. How it becomes really hype, and the rap is very they're double timing it a lot, and just they have this sound. It's so interesting how they're making a sound of spitting, like, you know, wait, into a part of the song. Yeah. This part is really hype. The you know, I really enjoy this. They still have the power, the vibe. These guys have like a very distinct sound and look and feel. But one thing that I was a little, I wouldn't say surprised, but I thought it was too much like God's Menu. The structurally, you know, the high part, but I don't think this was good, but it wasn't as good as God's Menu for me. I hope you guys don't take it the wrong way, but God's Menu was just really fresh. You know, it's just different and hard hitting, and you know, the dancing part. You know, the everybody going. You know, it was just it was really powerful. But this also had all the similar feel to it, but it wasn't. You know, I guess because I heard it something similar, a feel in it before, and I wonder if I'm sure you guys will tell me now, if the other songs follow this trend a lot. Uh, anyway, so far this is my second song, so my my knowledge is very limited. So please help me out here. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.